Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed Masoud is here from MStack 360 and welcome to my SharePoint game. Does this sound familiar that your team is saving the data locally on their PCs here and there and suddenly no one knows which version is the latest? Or even suddenly some files disappeared? You might also miss updates because someone was working on a version that is saved locally and he thinks that it's saved in the cloud, while it's not. Let's change this together. At MStack 360, we can centralize everything in the cloud through setting up SharePoint and OneDrive correctly. With you, we will eliminate those "oops, it's on my laptop" moments. Every file, every update instantly synced in a centralized location for the whole business, so your data is not saved on any individual local PC or even local OneDrive. And here is what we will do for you. We will map SharePoint and OneDrive to your local devices so it looks a local file. However, it's going to be completely synchronized and collected with the cloud. We will also set up a smart permission for your business so you know exactly who should access what. And for sure, if you wanted to set up a SharePoint site hub or intranet for your business, we can develop it for you at any custom design you are dreaming with. Your team will continue working as they are always working, but now all data is going to be saved in the cloud. No missing updates for sure, just smooth collaboration where everyone is always in sync. Ready to work smarter together? Just reach out to us and we'll make your team cloud connected. Thanks for watching and have a great day.